This is a lecture for Adler Graduate School course number 715, Holistic Assessment and Metaphor Therapy. This lecture provides an example of the holistic assessment process. It is drawn from the Holistic Assessment Training Manual that is in Paul Shotland's 1979 dissertation. The holistic assessment procedure is an assessment process for deriving lifestyle beliefs from interview data, and this lecture will walk you through a step-by-step approach to this process. Let's work on an example together. Here is the first client segment from Transcript A. You can download the whole transcript as a worksheet from the course page. Use your worksheet to underline the key phrases and words from this segment. Remember that holistic assessment begins by identifying the key words or phrases in the dialogue. The most important thing at this stage of the holistic assessment process is to get sensitive to words and phrases that are expressive of psychological movement. These will usually be the verbs, adverbs, and metaphors the client uses as they talk. There is a discussion of this on another video on the course page. Here are the key phrases that I identified for this segment. You can see how this focuses us on the expressive parts of the segment. Check out which ones you got correct and which ones you got incorrect. Now we will take each of these words as phrases and develop some lifestyle hypotheses. Step 2 in the holistic assessment process involves making sense of the style words and phrases, developing hypotheses about the lifestyle beliefs, psychological movement, and goal that are being expressed in the word or phrase. Not every style word or phrase is going to provide information for each of these inquiries, but it is useful to look at each one from each of these perspectives. Be sure to note any hypotheses that come to you as you shift through these 4 different empathic inquiries. There is a video that discusses this in more detail on the course page. As you develop lifestyle hypotheses, record them in the first person, as if the client were saying them. Keep this empathic perspective as you move to the integration step. The lifestyle summary should be written as if the client were saying it. Another way I develop lifestyle hypotheses is to think, what would I have to believe to say this word or this phrase in this way? From the individual psychology perspective, the client is acting as if certain things were true. Our task is to discern these underlying assumptions.